Hello there. This video is going to show you how to select cases in SPSS, especially for a situation where the numeric value assigned to the groups that you want to select for are not adjacent. So we have a situation here where I want to do a chi-square test for independence, looking at the relationship between college for major and whether or not students are or are not a diverse learner. Now, I want to have a simple chi-square analysis, so I'm only going to do a 2x2 design. So I'm only going to look at my two most popular majors and compare to see if it's related to being a diverse learner or not. So the first thing I'm going to do, because as you can see, there's several options for majors at Marshall, where this data came from. I am going to go up to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and Frequencies. And then I am going to right-click, Display Variable Names. That just makes life a little easier. It's easier to see. Find my variable, put it right here, and I want to see those frequency tables. Now, if you wanted to, from here, you could request all kinds of lovely pieces of information about your variable, even some charts. It's great, but we're not going to do that. We just want to display the frequency tables. All right. We open that up, and we can look here, and we can see clearly there's two popular majors in this data set, health professions and liberal arts. So they'll actually be adjacent in this case, but I'll show you how to do it both ways. So we've got, again, health professions, liberal arts. So we are going to go back to our data, look in variable view, and find the number assigned to those categories. So health professions is a 5. Liberal arts is a 6. Thank goodness it's not 6 and 7. All right, so here we go, 5 and 6. All right. So we're going to go over here, and we're going to go to Data. So again, Data. Then we go down to Select Cases, and I'm going to right-click to get my variable names. Go down to College for Major. If is satisfied, you can see I was playing with this earlier. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to find that variable. So here. And I could do this a variety of ways. I could do like less than 7, greater than 4 to try to get between 5 or 6. But I think this is probably the easiest strategy. So I'm just going to put college for major equals 5. And then this vertical line is your OR. And I'm just going to double click, college for major equals 6. So now I'm saying health professions and liberal arts using the coding that's in my actual data. So let's see if this works. Click continue. And then okay, we're happy with that. And we go back to our data and it will tell us if it did it. Oh, looky there. So only the 5s and 6s. The 1's crossed out, the missing's crossed out. Oh, yep, that's not a 5, that's not a 6. So it's handy. It tells you, oh, these are not going to be included when you do your analysis.